We've been advised that the best thing for us to do is to level out some of our mini mountains of wood chips. And so the tree surgeon is very kindly levelling those out by using the bucket on the front of his tractor to pull the wood chips away from the sinkhole and towards the back of our orchard. So the tree surgeon is just having a cup of tea with Mr. J. I am so excited. The soil that is coming as these wood chips break down looks amazing. So parts where the wood chip has been down here for at least 2 years, if not a bit longer, is looking very deep and dark and very lovely. And even some that's only been here a year is looking pretty good too. So the plan was the tree surgeon would spread this out as much as he could using the tractor. So we will continue to spread it out right to the edges under the hedge and even haul this out. Oh, it's really exciting, it is. Can't tell you how excited I am by this. And it's all happening much faster than I was expecting it to, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm also just incredibly grateful to the tree surgeon for coming and moving all of this for us. Now we're fairly sure that it's not going to turn into a very deep cavern. We're more comfortable about walking around the edge of it and also just on it. I'm not going to go into the deepest point because, well, I don't think that's a very clever idea, but we can get the wood off the edges. The water board came on Thursday and Friday and ascertained there is a leak in the pipes somewhere underground, and today they are starting to dig to try and find out exactly where that leak is. So where do you think it's been leaking?
Plugs off the tea.
Yeah.
Crack that squeeze up.
It comes out of there.
Not that.
Nothing coming out of there.
There's nothing coming out down there.
It's Tuesday morning. It is bitterly cold. There's an easterly wind. The guys are coming back today to do some more work out here. They left it last night with us having water, but unfortunately they cut off our neighbour's water. Anyway, this morning they should be back to get the water back on for the neighbours and hopefully to finish the work here. So the leak is not just a drip, it's a mains water pressure leak. It has obviously been chucking water out underground for quite some time, and thankfully now they can get that stopped, and hopefully the damage to the soil and the creating of a hole underground will also now stop. So now that they've got, we hope, all the pipe work sorted out, they're going to dig around the hole and deep down and then backfill it. And hooray, they're actually going to use 4 metal drums that are filled with concrete that were here when we moved in. We had no idea what they were for, but since then we've discovered that they are used as ballast for tractors. Well, as we don't have a tractor here that we use, they can very neatly go into the hole to provide a fairly solid base for the rubble and the topsoil to go on top of. So that's as far as we've got to today. It's around lunchtime. They've probably got another day and a half to do. So once they are completed, hopefully we'll do a final update with the repairs to the big hole in our front yard. And so wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one. And I also hope you'll join us again next time.